Here we have the opposite of the previous lesson. First, theorem 2 says that if two angles of a triangle are congruent, then the two sides opposite to these two angles are congruent and the triangle is a isosceles, the opposite of the last time of the previous time. We said that if we have isosceles triangle where two sides equal, so the two base angles are equal in measure. Here now, if I find that in a triangle two angles two angles equal in measure, therefore the two opposite side, the side opposite to C, AB, and the side opposite to B, AC, are equal in length, and by the result, the triangle will be a isosceles triangle. How do you prove this theorem? We will see. The given here is ABC is a triangle, angle B congruent to angle C. The required to be proved that AB equal to AC. First, we will draw construction to help us to prove this theory. We will bisect angle BAC by AD ray to intersect BC at D. Bisect angle BAC, it means that we will divide this angle into two equal angles. We'll start the proof. Since an angle B congruent to angle C and AD and therefore measure angle B equal to measure angle C. AD ray bisect BAC, therefore measure angle BAD equal to measure angle CAD. And since the sum of the measure of the interior angles of triangle 180, therefore measure angle ADC equal to measure angle ADB. Right? So, therefore, in two triangles ABD and ACD, AD is a common side. Measure angle BAD equal to CAD. And measure angle ADC, this one. I have this angle equal to this one, and this angle equal to this one, and we have a common side. Therefore, this triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, ASA, angle, side and angle. Therefore, AB congruent to, from the congruency, AB congruent to AC. Therefore, a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And by this way, we have proved the converse of the isosceles triangle. Let's take an example. ABC is a triangle in which measure angle A double measure angle B equals 72. From this one, we conclude that in measure angle B will be half LA, so it will be equal to 36 degree. طيب. Prove that in triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. يبقى in triangle ABC, since in measure angle A double measure angle B equals 72, therefore measure angle B equals 72 divided by 36 degree. طيب, you can find the third angle, which is C. 180 minus 36 minus 72, it will be 72. So therefore measure angle A equal to measure angle C. Therefore BC equal to BA, and this triangle is an isosceles triangle. It is very easy. طيب. Another example. In the opposite figure, measure angle A equal 4x. Measure angle B equal 3x plus 4. Measure angle C equal 82. Prove that in triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. We will find first the value of x, and by this way we will find the measure of angle B and measure angle A. Let's do it. We know that since the sum of the measure of the interior angles of a triangle equal 180, equal 180. So 4x اللي هي measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C equal 180. 4x minus 11 plus 3x plus 4 plus 82 equal كام؟ 180. We'll take like terms together. 4x plus 3x, it will give me, yes, 7x. Negative 11 plus 4, it will give me negative 11 plus 4 plus 82, it will give me positive 75 degree equal 180. We will put 75 in the other side by negative or by minus, so it will be 7x equal 180 minus 75, it will give me 105. We will divide x will be equal 105 divided by 7, so it will give me 15. Let's substitute this 15 in measure angle A, the value of x by 15 in angle A and angle B. So measure angle A equal 4x minus 11, so it will be 4 times 15 minus 11, it will give me 49. And measure angle B 3x plus 4, so it will be 3 times 15 plus 4 equal 49. Therefore measure angle A equal measure angle B. By this way, BC, therefore also at the result, BC equal to AC, and since in two sides equal in length, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Corollary. There is a corollary from this theorem. Corollary tells me that if the angles of a triangle, are congruent, then the triangle is equilateral. If all the angles equal in measure, in another word, then this triangle is equilateral. يعني if triangle ABC angle A equal angle B and equal angle C, measure angle A equal measure angle B equal measure angle C, or angle A congruent to angle B to congruent to angle C, therefore AB, side AB equal BC equal CA. Therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So there is an important remark that the isosceles triangle in which the measure of one of its angle equals 60 degree, it will be changed to an equilateral triangle. Here, if triangle in triangle ABC, we have AB equal to AC, and measure angle A, which is a vertex angle, equal 60. So I will find measure angle C equal measure angle B. 180 minus 60 divided by 2, it will give me a 60. يبقى therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. طب in the following here figure XYZ, measure angle Y 60 and it is an isosceles triangle, so measure angle Z also became 60. Yeah, the measure angle X 180 minus 60 plus 60 equals 60. So triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle. So this remark that if the isosceles triangle, the angle of one of its angle equals 60, so the equilateral triangle equal, so this triangle will change to an equilateral triangle. It is very easy lesson, and inshallah in the last lesson in this unit, colors of the isosceles triangle theorems.